Hear it? The deafening roar of the crowd here in the stadium? The match hasn't even started, but this packed house of fans can't contain their excitement. This is a huge Pokemon League match between a gym leader and the champion. The challenger is me, a master of Galar Karate, against the strongest of them all, our champion Leon.
I made it!
And the match starts now.
Let's go! Leon! Charizard! Come on, Charizard! Yeah! You got this! All right! They won! They won! Go Charizard! John, isn't Leon just amazing? You know, just once, I'd love to see Leon battle live at the stadium.
Chairman, we should leave for the hospital. I have a flying taxi waiting for us.
Oh, that is a fine-looking Corvin.
So sorry. This one doesn't like strangers. But it's the fastest in all of Galar.
We should go, Mr. Chairman.
Now, no running inside. Mr. Rose will be here soon. Are you excited?
Mr. Rose?
Why are you so surprised? They told us he was coming to visit the hospital today. Don't you remember?
Mr. Rose? As in this Mr. Rose?
You coming?
I need to write Mr. Rose a letter. I'm gonna ask him to invite me to one of Leon's matches.
Huh? You mean like live? I doubt it. There's no way he's just gonna give you a ticket to see the champion. And besides, wouldn't it be easier to ask in person?
No, it has to be a letter.
Okay, well, I'm heading off.
Thank you.
I'm done!
Hey! Where were you? Mr. Rose already left!
What?
They headed for the roof!
What's wrong?
Hello. I didn't see you earlier, did I?
Thank you. I'm all right.
Oh, no way.
Say, do you like Pokemon?
Yes!
It would seem they like you, too.
Chairman. letter I wrote for you. Please read it.
John! Did you give him the letter?
Yeah.
You know, if you find that Pokemon like you, that means you'll make a good trainer.
Did you get something from that kid?
Well, pretty good likeness, isn't it?